Hello everyone. Today we will go through the process of enabling the Sense mode on your 2D ScanAvenger barcode scanners. While having this function active, your scanners will automatically detect and scan any barcode that's positioned in front of the camera without having to press the trigger button. This is a very simple process as you will mainly have to scan a sequence of barcodes. What's impressive about the ScanAvenger barcode scanners is that they can scan barcodes directly from the screen without having to print them. Therefore, in order to activate the Sense mode on your scanners, you will simply have to scan this barcode. Once you are done scanning the configuration barcode, you will notice that while the Sense mode is on, this white light will remain active all the time, and from now on the scanner will detect and scan any barcode that's positioned in front of it. You can easily test this by opening a notepad or a Word document as I just did, clicking on it as if you were trying to type something, and then simply try to scan a barcode as I'm just doing now. And as you can see, I'm able to scan these barcodes without any issues and of course without having to press the trigger button. With this function, we also recommend enabling the Never Sleep mode on your scanners to prevent the scanner from going into sleep mode after 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or whatever configuration you have on your scanners. And you can enable the Never Sleep mode by scanning the following barcode. In case you ever want to revert back to the normal scanning mode or you simply want to disable the Never Sleep mode, simply scan one of the two barcodes based on your preferences, of course. Should you require a copy of these barcodes or you simply need further assistance from us, you can easily contact us through email at helpdesk@scanavenger.com and our support team that operates 24/7 will reply to you shortly. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you all a great day.